Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to MOCA'S World. So I've been watching this young woman on TikTok. She does a Tiffin video every day, or just about every day I think, where she unpacks her Tiffin, her lunch, every day. And from the very first episode that I watched, it triggered some really lovely childhood memories of mine. My grandfather, may he rest in peace, every evening he would sit by himself and have dinner. Usually when he came home from work or whatever he was doing during the day. We as children always ate earlier in the day, and he would sit by himself and unpack his tiffin, which my grandmother prepared so lovingly. The sweet part about it was that no matter who was around him, he would always offer them some food from his tiffin. My tiffin lady prepared this for me today, so I thought, in honor of my grandfather, I would unpack it with you. So let's dive in. Let's see what Tiffin lady brought me today. I have a lovely glass of my home-brewed kombucha. Check out my video on how I made this. I have a whole playlist from step 1 through to experimenting, so check that out. I'll include a link in the description section below this video. So cheers. It's peach flavored kombucha. Okay, so here we have my tiffin. And yes, I'm aware it's not the traditional stainless steel tiffin, but I did some research and tiffins can be made of other materials other than stainless steel. So don't come for me. I'm also part of the Indian community and I respect my East Indian ancestors. So that said, this is my version of the tiffin. Check out my Burlington haul video because I purchased it some time ago at Burlington. So check out my haul. And you can see all the other great homewares that they sell there. So let's open the top one here. All right, let's see what Tiffin lady brought. So we have some lovely steamed vegetables. Oh, it smells so good. So steamed vegetables. And I'll just start unpacking some. I'm going to warm it. It's not as hot as I'd like, so I'm going to warm it. So I'll just start plating. This looks so good. It's got carrots, parsnips. I think it might be zucchini, bell peppers, corn. This looks so good. So this is enough food for about 2 meals, I feel, maybe even more. All right, so that's good. Next, couscous. Some lovely couscous. And I don't like double dipping my spoons typically, so I'm going to use a clean one and just scoop some of the couscous here. Okay. And here we have, oh, look at that. These are red lentils. Smells so good. I smell the curry. It's not heavy on the curry because I don't like too heavy curry. I like a hint of curry, but it smells so good. A little bit of ginger. So let's unpack some of this. I think I could use this one. And let's put some over here. I really like this. So this is just cooked red lentils. Very lovely. All right. Okay, and oh, we have a little packet here in foil. Let's see. Oh, we have 2 whole wheat chapati or wraps. Very nice. These are actually flour tortillas, whole wheat tortillas, but they are just as good as chapati or roti. So I think I'll put one on the side and then leave this one in here. And let's see what's in this last one. This is a separate one here. Ooh, some salad. So we have some cucumbers, tomatoes, and olives. Okay, so let me leave. I'm going to first warm the food and then we'll dish the salad. So I warmed the food. So I'm going to just take a little bit of the salad, put it on the plate. Everything looks so good and it smells so good. Okay, let's dig in. I'm very hungry. Okay, cheers. All right, so I'm going to taste the red lentils. Wow, so tasty. So tasty. I'm going to try a little bit with the couscous. The couscous is nice and fluffy and not too dry, nice and fluffy. And the red lentils are just so, it's like comfort food. I'm gonna have some tomato here. Fresh and lightly seasoned cucumber. I want to try the steamed vegetables. Wow. It's like, it has like a little butter sauce with seasoning. It's really tender. Very nice. So I want to try the red lentils with this wrap here. Yum. So good. This is just, like I said, a whole wheat tortilla wrap, but it gets the job done in place of a roti. It's just as tasty with the filling here. So good. I'm going to try an olive. I love green olives. So, so good. I'm going to try to wrap with some of the veggies and a little bit of the red lentils. So good. Yum. This is so delicious. Tiffin lady did a wonderful job today. Do you have a Tiffin lady? What are you having for lunch today? So let's see what Tiffin lady brings me next time, and I will for sure unpack it with you. So have a great rest of your day. Enjoy your lunch, and thanks for watching.